everybody. Yes, I know I look horrible because the lighting sucks. I look like some kind of weird combination of like red and yellow. But anyway, it wasn't worth getting out the ring light and all that. Basically, I'm just making dinner. It's just me. So what I'm basically going to do, this is a big ass avocado. And I have asparagus, I have chicken breast strips, and I also have these, which are the chicken breast fillets, and I have the shredded mozzarella. I don't know if it's not really showing very well, but anyway, that's what that is. It's shredded mozzarella cheese. I went and got this, which is just light Caesar. It's basically lettuce with a thing like seasoning on it or something, but anyway. Then of course I have my feta crumbles, and I went and got the creamy Italian dressing, which is my favorite, or one of my favorites anyway. And long story short, I'm gonna turn all this into dinner, more or less. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. From this point, I'm probably just gonna like time lapse this because why wouldn't I, right? So yeah, I'm just gonna time lapse it, starting now. Alright, that's it. Basically, I got all my ingredients in here. I got my dressing. Obviously, just pour this on here and I'll mix it up and eat dinner. Alright, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Like, comment, and subscribe. You should try making this. It's pretty simple for like a single person meal especially. The part that you didn't really see, well, you got a glimpse of it, but all the meats that I put in here, I kind of cheated and I just microwaved them all. So yeah, that's how I do this. This is my version of like chicken salad. I've never put asparagus in it before, but I had the idea today and I wanted to try it. So anyway, that's it. Maybe I'll jump on here and let you know how that turned out. So yeah, thank you for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye everybody.